Hi, I'm Bhargav, AI and Data Solutions Engineer at Kaarvi. Today, I'm going to show how Kaarvi's agentic AI helps organizations move from raw operational data to live executive dashboards in seconds. Most organizations already have ERP systems, service systems, manufacturing databases, and operational solutions. But the challenge is not storing the data. The challenge is turning that data into business visibility fast enough for managers and leaders to act. Carvey connects to the systems companies already use, understands the operational data, transforms it into business ready intelligence, and keeps dashboards updated as the source data changes. Carvey helps enterprise teams turn data into decisions. In this demo, we'll use manufacturing service claims data and show how Carvey's agentic AI can create dashboards and transform operational data and keep insights live as new as data enters the source system. We'll cover four different scenarios here. First, we'll use Carvey's Create with AI feature to automatically build a dashboard using suggested prompt. Second, we'll use a custom business prompt to create a dashboard focused on executive operational performance. Third, we'll use Carvey's transformation module to enhance the data into a manager and executive ready intelligence layer. And finally, we'll add new data into the source database and show how LiveSync updates the catalog, transformation output, and dashboards automatically. This is Carvey's Smart Catalog. Smart Catalog is where Carvey organizes and displays connected business data from sources like databases, ERP systems, manufacturing systems, service applications, and other enterprise platforms. Here, we are going to use manufacturing service claims dataset with 50,000 records and 16 columns. This data represents service claims, warranty activity, equipment models, failure modes, service centers, regions, labor hours, and repair costs. For a manager, this is not just data, this is operational activity happening across the business. Now, let's go to LiveSync here. We are going to enable the LiveSync here. LiveSync allows Carvey to monitor the connected database for changes. So when new records are added to the source system, Carvey can detect the update and refresh the dataset automatically. This is important because businesses do not operate on static data. Service claims, warranty requests, inventory demand, and operational activity change constantly. With Carvey, dashboards do not have to wait for the manual refreshes or reporting cycles. Now we move on to Dashboard Publisher. Dashboard Publisher is where Carvey creates and manages dashboards. Instead of manually building charts and KPIs, we'll use Create with AI. This is powered by Carvey's agentic AI, which understands the selected dataset and automatically recommends the right dashboard structure. Inside the AI dashboard assistant, we select the dataset. This is the same dataset from Smart Catalog connected to the source database. For the first dashboard, we are not writing a custom prompt. We are using one of the Carvey suggested prompts. Create a KPI overview with key metrics and trends. This is useful when business user wants a quick operational dashboard without knowing exactly what charts or calculations to ask for. Carvey's agentic AI analyzes the dataset and automatically creates a dashboard strategy. It identifies that this is a manufacturing service claims dataset and builds a dashboard around claim volume, warranty exposure, approval rate, failure modes, labor hours, service centers, and regional activity. This is where Kaarvi is different from traditional dashboard tools. In a traditional process, a team would need to understand the data, define KPIs, prepare calculations, design values and visuals, and build the dashboard manually. With Kaarvi, the user selects the dataset and chooses a suggested prompt, and Agentic AI builds the dashboard automatically. Let's go ahead and open this dashboard. There we go. The first dashboard gives a strong operational overview. It includes total claims, approval rate, warranty eligibility rate, average labor hours, open claims, total parts replaced, unique technicians, service centers. It also shows claim lifecycle status, failure mode analysis, claims by region, customer type mix, top charts replaced, labor hours by unit model, and detailed claim records. This gives managers a quick view of what is happening across the service operations. Now let's save this dashboard and publish it. Now let's move to the second scenario. In real business situations, managers and executives usually have a specific operational question or priority. So now we use a custom prompt. The prompt asks Kaarvi to create an executive operational performance dashboard focused on service workload, warranty exposure, operational bottlenecks, replacement part demand, and labor utilizations, and also regional service trends. This shows how Kaarvi's agentic AI can convert a business requirement into a dashboard. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this prompt here. Create with AI, select your dataset, the same dataset that I've used earlier, and then I'm gonna name this as executive dashboard, and I'm gonna paste my prompt here and hit generate dashboard. Here, Kaarvi analyzes the prompt and generates a dashboard strategy. It understands what the dashboard should focus on: leadership priorities like warranty exposure, open backlog, regional workload, failure mode concentration, service center performance, parts demand pressure, and labor utilization. This is important because leaders do not just need charts, they need the data organized around business decisions. Now let's go ahead and open the dashboard. Now this custom dashboard focuses more on business impact. It shows total service claims, warranty exposure, open claims backlog, average repair cost, total repair spend, total labor hours, high cost claim rate, and inventory pressure indicators. It also provides charts for root cause failure analysis, claim status pipeline, regional service workload, service center volume versus cost, parts demand pressure, customer segment mix, labor hours by failure mode, warranty eligibility split, and operational drill down as well. This dashboard is more leadership focused because it helps managers understand where service workload, cost, risk, and operational pressure are building. Now let's go ahead and save this dashboard and also publish it. Now we go beyond dashboards. The next step is transformation. This is where Kaarvi's agentic AI enhances the raw operational data and turns it into a manager and executive ready dataset. The goal is not just to clean the data, the goal is to create an operational intelligence layer. Let's go ahead and copy this prompt here, move to the transformation module, select the dataset, the same dataset that we have been working on, and paste the prompt, hit generate. and wait for the pipeline to be built. We give Kaarvi a prompt asking it to transform the manufacturing service claims dataset into an executive operational intelligence model. The prompt asks Kaarvi to validate and clean the records, remove the duplicates, standardize dates, regions, and service center names, calculate warranty exposure, identify SLA breach status, create repair cost tiers, calculate utilization, calculate labor utilization bands, detect inventory pressure, classify operational risk levels, and create executive ready metrics for dashboards and natural language querying. There we go. Let's go ahead and name this transformation dataset. Kaarvi's agentic AI generated the transformed workflow automatically. The pipeline includes steps like loading the service claims, validating claim records, deduplicating the claims, casting data fields, standardizing regions and service centers, filling missing business values, computing operational KPIs, and creating the final executive operational intelligence dataset. This replaces a process that normally requires technical teams, manual formulas, SQL scripts, and multiple handoffs. The transformed output creates a new business ready field such as, wait for it. Now let's go ahead and choose the output here. I'm selecting as Kaarvi Smart Catalog. I'm gonna give this name that I wrote there. Apply configuration, save, go live. I've enabled go live option here because the data that is returning from this transformed output will also be connected to the live dataset that is being connected to our database. So here we are enabling the live mode. We are saving this configuration here. Validate and run now. There we go, the pipeline is being triggered and the post run output is here loading. There we go, our output is saved to the Kaarvi Smart Catalog. Alright, we got the final notification there. The transformed output creates new business ready fields such as turnaround hours, turnaround SLA status, warranty exposure amount, repair cost tier, labor cost per hour, labor utilization band, inventory pressure status, and operational risk classifications. These are the kinds of fields managers and executives actually use to make decisions. Now, the dataset is no longer just a list of claims, it becomes an intelligence layer for operational leadership. Now that I have saved the dataset to the Smart Catalog, we can go ahead and create a dashboard. Next, from recent pipelines, here is the transformed dataset. Now we are going to create a dashboard out of it by clicking the Create Dashboard button here. There we go, the dataset is already selected as we chose it from the transformation module. Now we are going to give this a name, Operational Dashboard, and I also have the prompt ready for this particular dashboard. There we go, generate dashboard. There we go, open dashboard. This dashboard is focused on executive operational risk. It shows total service claims, SLA breach rate, total warranty exposure, backlog risk rate, average operational efficiency, service responsiveness, high cost claim rate, and inventory pressure alerts rate. This dashboard helps leadership understand where operational problems are forming and where action is needed. The dashboard also includes SLA breach volume by region, turnaround SLA status distribution, SLA breach trend over time, operational risk heat map by region and failure mode, warranty exposure by region, labor utilization distribution, inventory readiness status, claim status pipeline, and regional performance comparisons. This is the result of the transformation step. Because Kaarvi created manager and executive level fields first, the dashboard becomes much more decision focused. Now we simulate real business activity. Let's go to the database and add 10,000 records. There we go. Now we have added 10,000 new service claim records into the connected Postgres SQL database. This represents new operational activity entering the business system. In real life, this could come from ERP systems, service applications, warranty systems, or manufacturing operational platforms. After adding the new records, the database count increases from 50,000 rows to 60,000 rows. This confirms that new operational data has entered the source system. In Smart Catalog, we can see the dataset now shows 60,000 rows. The sync has completely successful. Now, when we return to the operational intelligence dashboard, let's publish this and preview it. The KPIs have already changed. The total service claims increased from 50K to 60,000. Warranty exposure increased from 34.5 million to 41.7 million. Operational efficiencies changed, service responsiveness changed, inventory pressure indicators changed, SLA breach rates and regional charts recalculated automatically. This proves it is connected to live operational intelligence. Kaarvi connects to the systems businesses already use, such as ERP databases, service platforms, and manufacturing applications, and also operational systems. Then Kaarvi's Agentic AI helps teams understand the data, create dashboards, transform raw data into business intelligence, publish reusable datasets, and keep dashboards updated as business activity changes. For managers and leaders, this means faster visibility, fewer manual reporting delays, and better operational decision making. So, in this demo, we went from raw manufacturing service claims data to a suggested AI generated dashboard, to a custom executive dashboard, to an AI powered transformation workflow, to a transformed operational intelligence dataset, to a second executive dashboard, and finally to live dashboard updates after adding 10,000 records. This is Kaarvi's Agentic AI in action, from source data to dashboard, from raw records to executive intelligence, from operational change to live business visibility in seconds. This is Kaarvi. Thank you.